Welcome to another episode of the Foodie vlog. I hope you all are home and are safe. So the month of Sawan has just begun, and today in my vlog I thought I should do a special vrat recipe, and I've decided to do Sabudana Kheer. So let's get started. I have about 150 grams of Sabudana here. I'm gonna add this in a bowl. And now I'm gonna add a glass of water just to soak the Sabudana. We're going to soak this in water for 30 minutes. I soaked the Sabudana for 30 minutes in water, and as you can see it has absorbed all the water. So now we'll start the preparation of the kheer. For the kheer, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. I'm going to spread this on all sides just to make sure the entire pan is coated well with the ghee. I am now going to add the soaked Sabudana. I'll add it along with the water. After 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to add some milk to it. Now this is boiled milk, it's not raw milk. So make sure that the milk that you add is not raw. So I'm going to add some milk. I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to let the milk come to boil once again so that the kheer thickens up. As you can see here, the milk has come to boil and it has started thickening. I'm just going to reduce the flame. At this stage, I'm going to add some elaichi. And some saffron to give it a nice color. If you have elaichi powder, you can add that as well. As you can see, it has become nice and thick. And the Sabudana has also become transparent, as you can see here. After adding the elaichi and the saffron, I'm going to add sugar. So this is about 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to let this sugar dissolve well with the kheer. So my Sabudana Kheer is ready. The sugar has dissolved well and it has formed a nice thick consistency. The kheer is ready and you can serve this with some dry fruits. So this is the final outcome of the kheer. It has turned out great. And you can enjoy this with puri or you can have it as it is, anything that you wish. So do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below how you guys liked it. Until then, stay tuned for more videos.